Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of something went wrong on the application of settings. So in the application of Indeed job search, you will go to settings. In this list, we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you search about Indeed job search. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you turn on your airplane mode. And you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.